Using AI ads to scale up a brand new dropshipping store is one of the best ways to make money right now, and also to save costs, because you can literally start out from nothing. You don't even need real UGC models. You can just use AI to generate a ton of footage and then have ready to go ads done for you, which saves a whole bunch of advertising and production costs in making ad creatives. Just genuinely pushing a few buttons, making production grade content for your ads is the current meta. There's a ton of people out there scaling up the stores to figures like 10 to 20k a day with AI ads right now, but the method you do it with has to be done right. Now, you can't just go to Nano Banana or ChatGPT and ask it to make ads for you. I mean, you can, but the problem with that is they won't really have the real copyright and fundamentals that you need for those ads to actually really work. Because without correct copywriting principles or truly understanding your product and the target customer and target market, the AI itself will have no clue how to communicate your message to your customer because you're not giving it the right inputs. And because of this, it won't know how to also correctly display your product with the right use case to appeal to your particular avatar. And in order to do all this and make it effective, you actually need to do the correct deep research into your product that can actually take tens of hours to do, even if you actually have AI tools. You have the correct prompts that take into consideration actual aspects about your product and its specifications, the use cases of it, the pain points of your chosen target avatars, and the features and benefits of your product. On top of all this information you also need to show the AI model real examples of ads that have actually worked, so it knows what a converting ad actually looks and feels like. And on top of all this, to actually make a good ad that works, you need sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4, or even 5 different tools all together in synergy to actually get the final output you want. For an example, one for research, one for creating the ad angles itself, one for generating the images itself, and then also if you're making video ads, you also need an editing software to edit them too. It's all just a huge whole mess. And also on top of this, if you're actually a beginner or if you're not truly experienced yet in e-commerce, you may actually just be making AI slop ads without knowing that you're doing so, which is a big problem. You're just testing slop that's not going to hit. So the bottom line with this is anyone can use AI to make ads, but not everyone can actually make good ads with AI. Particularly not everyone can actually make winning ads that have scale potential. But I actually want to show you guys a useful software today, one that will actually do the deep research on your product, the market, and the avatar for you. It'll create the research-backed angles that you need to actually convert for image and AI UGC, and then it'll turn those ad angles into actual ads you can scale. And then from there, from the dashboard, you can use it to actually track the performance of ads and actually perform learnings on them to actually then use that information to replicate your winning ads to create more winners. And this is all in one tool. That's what I like about this. The big bonus here is that this particular software is actually built around e-commerce products and supplements. So it's basically a plug and play system. There's no need to actually train it. It's not an AI model you train. You don't even really need to provide any context. It actually knows what you're trying to do already. So you can just get to creating and running winning ads pretty much instantly. So I'm going to just jump in and show you guys how this works. So I'm going to link the sign up link, which I use down below in the description. There's actually a free trial that you can get with this link too. It basically gives you enough credit so that you can actually make some ads and test out the tool first if you like it. So there's like a no friction sign up. You can just use the tool. And once you sign up, there's also a button here which says join the community. So there's a whole bunch of e-commerce entrepreneurs, and some of the guys that are actually behind this tool, they're big 7 or 8 figure e-commerce entrepreneurs. So there's a whole bunch of group calls, updates, and huge motion behind the community. There's a lot of useful stuff inside, so make sure to join and check that out, and also ask any questions or tips about the software in there. So the first step with this tool is basically you need to generate a research document, and this is actually going to take 5 or 10 minutes. So you basically click on start product research, and you need to enter the product URL here. So I'm not going to use one of my stores because I don't want to expose any products, but I'm going to go copy the link to this website called Space Goods. You may know them. It's basically a huge big e-com supplement brand, and I'm going to go to Angled and I'm going to paste the product URL in here. This will actually work with Amazon products, Shopify, AliExpress, and most e-commerce sites. So even if you're not selling on Shopify itself, you can still use this tool. So we're going to press continue here, and we're going to give the name of the product. So in here, the name was Rainbow Dust Starter Kit. So I'm going to copy that, and the brand name was Space Goods. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not running these ads. I'm not infringing. I'm not going to be making a copy store. This is just entirely entirely an example to show you how you can use your own brand with this tool. Use your own product, don't copy another store's. We're not going to be publishing any of these ads. You can just press continue, but if you want to be more advanced, you can click on more options here, and you can actually link additional product page links here. So if you have like different landers or product pages, you can also type in notes. You can also use this for competitor stores, Amazon listings, AliExpress comparables, or similar products. So anything which is in the same kind of product set or appears to be the same product, paste the links here. You're giving it more knowledge. And then for notes, you basically add in a paragraph or two about context, about your brand, about product details, positioning, or claims to consider. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste a slogan in here. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy some contents of the website and post it in here. You do have a limit of 4,000 characters, and I recommend to type your own things. I'm actually going to go ahead and remove these reviews I've copied though, because it might confuse it. Okay, now we have just some general information. There's also the avatar description. So these are all optional. Now it recommends to leave this blank so the system can discover the strongest fresh avatar from the product research. If you fill this out, the generated brief will center on your avatar. So unless you're running a brand where you've already tested and found a real avatar or sub avatar, you can leave this blank. As for research documents, you can use this for customer research, prior notes, survey excerpts, competitor bullets, or brand positioning docs. So this text is added as source context for the generated research document. So I'm just going to press continue. I've given it some inputs here. Now we can give it some product reference photos. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy some of the photos from this Space Goods website and I'm going to upload them, just so it has some context on what it actually looks like. You need at least 3 photos of the actual product itself, which shows the packaging. It could be showing the label, hero shots of it. This is just so it has some mandatory information to see what it actually looks like. I'm also just going to copy this UGC image in because there's not actually that many images on this product website. And then also the logo. You want to copy your logo into for the brand, and then the brand color. This is optional. You can also type in physical details that AI must get right. So the packaging form, colors, label rules. If you leave it blank, it'll generate one from the product page. So we can then go ahead and just press generate research. So do bear in mind the research can usually take about 5 to 10 minutes to do, but it's worth waiting for because this is going to create the whole foundation for making your winning ads with this software. So this is the most crucial part, that it generates a quality research document. So I'm going to now skip ahead and I'm going to show you the final result of what it actually generates. You can also see the progress down here that it's generating the product research and what particularly it's doing. So now as you can see at the bottom right, it does say your research is finished and is saved in the research library. So this took about 4 or 5 minutes and now it's complete. And if you see the button up here, it says pick research. We can actually choose our research. Since we only have one, it's actually selected by default. So now we'll use this in creating all of our content. In fact, now that the research is actually done, we can begin to actually create the ad angles. This step though is really important because we want to make sure that the ad idea first is good before we waste time making something random. Because of course we have a limited amount of ad credits. We don't want to waste any credits making ads unless they're perfect. So we can go ahead and click on new ad angle here to create a brief. Now we can either generate image ads or we can generate video ads. I'm going to be showing image ads, but do bear in mind both options are available for you. This is mainly because I actually run statics on my stores, so I'm a little bit more familiar with them. So first of all, we're going to create image ads, and then second of all, we're going to try out the video ads. We have creative settings, so this is where you're going to choose the image layout, the size, the tone, and the visual overrides. This is going to create the image brief, but not the finished image ad yet. So I'm going to select us versus them. You can select the type of ad you want to make. So they have UGC hook, offer spotlight, which needs you to actually input your offer. We have us versus them ads, which is comparison of you versus another brand, benefits grid, clean lifestyle shots, or how it works, which is a 3-step mechanism. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to click size 1:1 because I usually run square ads, and then the tone, we're just going to click on relatable. So these are all optional, by the way, so you don't actually need to fill these in, but it shows you an actual example of what your input should be. So I'm just going to click on generate image brief, and from here it's going to generate our new brief. You can see behind my camera it now says generating. Now you can actually generate image or video ads in platform with the pre-trained tools, or you can follow the proven SOPs and make ads yourself on other platforms. It really depends on what kind of experience level you're on and what you actually want to do. But both are proven methods to generating winning ads, and with the ad angle and the concept already spelled out, the ads will come out amazing because you have the actual material to base them off of. I'm also going to go ahead and press new angle. Again, I'm going to create a new image, and this is going to be a lifestyle image. I'm going to generate the brief. So what this will do is it'll write your creative brief from the selected research. So it's almost like an employee creating it for you. It's almost like a creative strategist that you're hiring. It's actually pretty incredible. So we're just going to wait now for these to generate. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you creating a video brief. So for now, there's just AI UGC, which is the main format. We can choose a tone. So we'll go on relatable again. We'll choose 916 because this is the vertical size, and we'll generate this. And then we'll generate another one. We'll make this one playful in 916, and we'll generate that too. So like I said, the more input you have, the more you can actually write in the optional fields to fine tune it to make it even better. I do also want to mention, if you click on pick research, you can then click on the research report, which has actually been generated for you. And from here, you can actually view the whole research document. This is really important. And in fact, even though this tool is doing all of the hard legwork for you, I'd still recommend, whether you're a beginner or intermediate, just go through and read all this so you actually understand your product more, because this is going to give you a real great amount of information. So first of all, you have all of the input information which we entered, and then it actually generates the product features for you for the actual product itself, and it's pulling this all from the web page. It's pulling in the product benefits of your product. It's showing you the different use cases your product can have. So for this supplement, it said for the jitter sensitive energy seeker, for holistic wellness optimizer. So these are basically avatars. And then we have product based objectives. We have key differentiators. So what differentiates your product from others in the market. And then it has market research. It shows us 2 competitors. It shows us other products, services, and actions that fulfill the same wants and needs of each avatar that we have. Purchase trigger research, negative customer feedback, positive customer feedback, market-based objectives, and then it goes deep into avatar research. So our primary avatar is the coffee crash survivor, who's a high-performing professional entrepreneur or graduate student aged 25 to 45 who depends on coffee to fuel demanding 8+ hour workdays, but suffers predictable afternoon energy collapses, brain fog, and jitters that sabotage productivity during critical hours when the focus matters the most. So it's literally outlined our whole avatar for us. It's given us variations of the avatar, aka sub-avatars. It's given us their wants and needs, the language and tone to use to actually appeal to them, their experiences that they go through, their core challenges and pain points, their goals and aspirations, the emotions and behaviors they have, and positive feelings caused by product benefits. Basically, the positive outcome that they have from using our product. You can copy all of these, you can export them to a PDF, you can click on use tools directly. It's crazy what this research document outputs. And now we basically have all of our briefs generated. So for our first one, us versus them, we can click on generate images. And from here, we have our creative library, so you can upload your creatives here. We have the generator. So this will use 50 credits charged to generate, and this generates 3 images. You can also do an image format override, so we can go square, portrait, or story. I'm going to keep it on square. So this is the remote worker crash versus rainbow dust. So if you remember, this was the us versus them ad. So let's go ahead and generate 3 images. We'll do this for both of our image ad briefs, so I can show you some examples of some image ads, and then after that we'll try and generate a video or 2. So we've now generated some image ads. So as you can see, we can click on keep if we want to actually keep them in our library. We can also click on this button to enlarge them. So for now it actually has the angled watermark on, but I believe if we keep them it won't have this. So this isn't us versus them. It shows the brand logo in the corner, so it's perfectly placed the brand logo, and it's done basically an us versus them if you only drink coffee versus if you use the supplement from Space Goods, that you'll get sustained energy and it's basically better than drinking just coffee. So these ads can actually definitely work. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually keep these 2 ads. I actually like these 2. You have to use 10 credits to keep them, bear in mind. So I've kept those ads. So then we can click on review ads, and you can see in the generator, we can review the ads we've just generated. And then they'll go in our creative library, and from there we can now download them, and they won't actually have the watermark on anymore, and we can actually use them to actually run. Next up, we can go to the clean lifestyle images, and we can generate some of these too, just so we can kind of have a look at a different style of ad that Angled can actually generate for us. So these are the lifestyle images it's generated. So the first one I don't like because the AI hasn't generated our product logo on, so we're not going to keep that. The second one looks quite nice. It's got like the scooper, it's got our product packaging, and it's just just in a clean kind of everyday shot that could just be someone's routine. So I'm going to keep that. I also like this one because it shows a real person actually using it. So this could be our avatar. So I'm going to keep that too. So I'm going to go ahead and keep both of these ads. These look quite nice. So we've kept these and they'll now go in our creative library like before, and we can download this too. So now I just want to show you a video generator. So bear in mind, you can also copy and download your briefs, or you can click on open, and from there we can actually generate a video. So I'm going to generate you some videos right now. Bear in mind, the AI UGC video generator is still improving, and sometimes it may have some minor mistakes in it, but this is mainly due to the AI model. Remember, if you do generate an AI video with something like another main AI, those will also hallucinate and make mistakes as well. It's just the same with every single AI model right now. Nothing's perfect, but if it doesn't look right, you can just regenerate it and try again. So for the video generation, if we just press open, it'll pop up with generate a video ad, and then we just press on generate in the top right, and now it'll cue the video generator, and we're going to come back when it's generated. Do bear in mind there's a few stages to this, so it will generate the video, it'll generate a voiceover, and each of these stages can take a few minutes, and then it'll composite the video together. As you can see, it now says assembling clips, and in a few moments we'll get the final composited video. So we've now got our fully generated video, so let's take a look at this.
My coworker hasn't crashed at 3 p.m. in weeks, so I asked what changed. She told me she switched her morning coffee to Rainbow Dust, 8 adaptogens and nootropics, 0 crash. I tried it for a week. My 2 p.m. brain fog, gone. I'm getting through afternoon client calls without that sluggish feeling that used to tank my output. It's the first thing that's actually kept me sharp past lunch. If you track your productivity and you're tired of crashing when it matters, tap below and grab the starter kit.
I really like this call to action at the end, where it has like the simple logo, the product name, and then like a call to action button, which kind of is animated. That looks really cool. I also like when the model picks up this bag and the physics of it. So this is a pretty good video ad that you can go ahead and test, and you can go run these on Facebook ads. A lot of people are scaling up AI video ads. So what you would do is you would click on download video, and then it'll allow you to directly download it in your web browser. So I've actually partnered with Angle to actually offer you a free trial, so you can just get some credits, jump in and start making ads right now straight away for free. You can actually use the free trial and the credits to create actual ads to test in your ad account tomorrow. After signing up for the free trial link, which will be down below, you basically just get an account preloaded with credits, and then if you like the platform and you've taken it for a spin and test it like I showed you how to do on this video, and if you like it, you can then just keep using all the tools and keep topping up the credits when you need to. So click on the link down below in the description to get the free trial and free credits and check the tool out. And if you like the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll be doing a whole bunch of useful videos like this and some explainer videos soon, and you can also check out the community and the links in the description down below to get started with e-commerce too and go through all the learnings. I'll leave 2 videos on screen right now which should be useful for you guys that you should find valuable to continue learning.